Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in laptop Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in laptop Windows 11, diagnosing the network. To start, right-click on the network icon on the taskbar. Click on Diagnose Network Problems. In the wizard, you can see the cause of the error. In this case, click on Enable Adapter. Check that you can now see the Wi-Fi icon. Chapter 2. How to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in laptop Windows 11, reactivating the adapter. To start, enter network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. Here, select the Wi-Fi network adapter. Click Disable this network device. After that, click on Enable this network device. Wait for it to activate. Check that the network icon is visible. Chapter 3. How to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in laptop Windows 11 from services. To start, from the search box, open Services. You are going to double-click on the WLAN autoconfig service. Then, in Startup Type, assign the value Automatic. Apply the changes. After this, with the service selected, click Restart. You can check that the Wi-Fi icon is visible. Chapter 4. How to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in laptop Windows 11, updating the driver. To get started, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. You are going to go to the Network Adapters section and right-click on the driver to choose Update Driver. After that, click on Search automatically for drivers. Confirm if there are updates. Chapter 5. How to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in laptop Windows 11, reinstalling the driver. To start, right-click on Start and choose Device Manager. Now in the Network Adapters section, you are going to right-click on the driver to click on Uninstall Device. Confirm this action by clicking Uninstall. After this, go to the Action menu and there click on Scan for hardware changes. You can see that the Wi-Fi driver is automatically installed. Check that the icon is visible. Chapter 6. How to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in laptop Windows 11, managing power. To start, right-click on Start and then open Device Manager. In Network Adapters, you will double-click on the Wi-Fi network driver. After this, in the Power Management tab, uncheck the box, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK. Confirm that you can see the network icon. Chapter 7. How to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing in laptop Windows 11 from system configuration. To start, in the search box enter misconfig, click on System Configuration. In the displayed window, go to the Services tab. Check that all associated services are active. After this, you can see if the Wi-Fi network icon is visible. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.